Hello and welcome to another video in beginner series, and in today's video we are trying to use the menu options for rounding. So these are the options in Power Query. So we will load a set of data and then we will go to Power Query and try to do those operations which are available under transform data. So first thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to load an Excel sheet. So we have options like load Excel here inside the home tab. So I'll click on this Excel workbook. I'll search the folder where I have this rounding data. You can also create data like this. Once you see the data, you'll understand it's a simple data. I've created it. So if I click on the sheet, you will see that I've created certain data which could be, having the decimal places so that, I can do these operations. So number and number two are the operation. This one we are going to do it. I checked it, and once I check it, the options are available: load and transform. So I'm going to go to transform data. And I might have told this in the previous videos, those who are watching, that when we wanted to go to this transform data or Power Query editor, it is not necessary that we load the data first and come back here. We directly can come here by using the transform data. Another advantage is when you want to control how much data you wanted to take into the system, then also it is beneficial you come here and then control the data. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do certain operations, but before I do, I'm just going to duplicate this column. So I right clicked on the column which I want and I'd say duplicate column. So I got a number copy column. Now I go to we have these tabs. In the tabs on the top, we have transform. And in the transform, we have, few section like table section, any column section, text column section, and number column. In the number column, we have this rounding. We have round up, and it says round the number in the selected column to the next integer. Then it says round down to the previous integer value, and it say round, and then say round specified number of decimal places. So there is a option for how many decimal places. So I say okay, give me one decimal place here. So I got it one decimal. See, this is 4.5. It has become 5.6. 4.6 has is 4.6 only. There was 0 before it. 4.4 is 4. 3.5 is 3.50 is 3.5 only. 3.67 is 3.8. 6.5 again. There was nothing after this on the second decimal place. 4.5 will become 6. See, this is interesting. This is 4.45 is going to become 4. 6.45 is going to become 6.4, not 6.5, because it's a even number here. If it would have been odd number, it would have been become next digit. Now this remains same. This is going to 6.8. This is going to remain same. This is going to remain same. Again, we have a even number here, and then 5.5. There is nothing on the second decimal place. This is 4.5 remains same. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to duplicate this column again, and now we are going to say rounding, and we say again round, and then we are going to say 0 decimal place. Okay, so now let's compare the number. So now you can see this is 4.55, so definitely it should become 5. 4.6 should become 5. 4.44 should become 4. 3.5, see, this is an odd number, so it becomes, it's exactly 5. Actually, it's not 5 or something, exactly 5 next digit. 7 is definitely going to be 7. 6 5, see, it's an even number, so 6 5. 6.45 below 0.5, so 6. 7.5, it's basically an odd number, so it has become 8. 6.83 is 83 is going to give next. In 9.8 is next digit. 6.25 is below one digit. I mean 6 is going to remain same. 6 is going to be down. Now it is odd, so it's going to become around up here in this case, and this 3.45, which is 3. Okay, so this is how this is going to behave. Now let's do what happens when we do round up and round down. And so let's say we say round up. Okay, and actually we have done here, so we'll duplicate it basically so that we can understand. So we'll say duplicate column. Okay, and let's duplicate it again here. So we duplicate it and again duplicate it so that I can see these numbers together. Okay, so I say round up. Now round up, what it says to the next decimal number. So this is basically what happens. Whatever it's beyond before that, just ignore, and this is the next number. It's 4, it's 5, it's 5, 4, it's 5, it's 4, it's 5, it's 3, it's 4, it's 6, it's 7, it's 6, it's 7, it's 6, it's 7, it's 7, it's 8, it's 6, it's 7, it's 9, it's 10, it's 6, it's 7, it's 5, it's 6, it's 3, it's 4. it's not going to look what is before, and like rounding, it's not going to check it out. It's just one up. Okay. And when we have these operations, when we do basically when we actually go ahead and do these operations using number dot roundup, we create the column, then we will be able to give this basically also the our choice. We'll try that out also, but let's do right now. Let's duplicate this again and then do round down. Now if I go here and double click here, it doesn't give me option to um, do my choice of decimal places. So for that we need to manually write down some code. We'll do that. Okay, round down. So round down is basically just uh, this one is up and this one is just remove whatever is before that. So okay, so we are talking about 0 decimal places here. So 4 4 4 3 6 6 6 6 7 6 9 6. Okay, 5 3. So like this. Now the question might come to your mind that how can we do our own choice of stuff. So let's duplicate this column, and now let me call it as number or test 1. Okay, on this test 1 column, let's try to do operation of our own choice. So I say add column, I go to a custom column and I say round up, and let's try number dot round up. Okay, I'm sometimes bit cautious when I press enter because Power BI doesn't take it. Okay, so what we want to do is 1 decimal place round up. Okay, so now you see here, now here again it's next decimal place, it's 5, so it's become 6. First this is 6, this is, see, this is round up, this has not moved because there is 0. Now this has moved up, this is again there is nothing on that side, so it remains same. Now 6.7 remains 6.7. See, there should be something on the next decimal place to move you up. So there is nothing here, so it remains same. There is nothing, there is something here, so it moved next up, up, it moved up. It, see here it actually moved up, and wherever it's 5, see it's not moving up. Okay, so here it moved up, here it moved up. It definitely it's not there, something is there. So if you do round up also, like if it's 5, then it's not moving to the next digit, if only in case of it's not 5, if there is nothing behind outside that. But let's do this round up. Let's change this formula to make it round 0. Now we have everything on the first decimal place now, so it's very simple. 5, that's what we have seen, 5 5 3 6 this. What happens if we say -1, which means we say next decimal? Now all of them has become 10 because this is the first digit which we have. So 0 1 and 2 we have seen. Okay, only exceptions are these. Okay, so now we are done with round up. Let's try out round down. Similar kind of things would happen in case of round down. Let's say, but we are going to go down 1 digit basically. So number dot round down, and round down, let's say, what's our number, test comma, let's say 0, directly go to 0. Okay, so now we see 4 4 4 3 6 6 6 7 6 9 6 5 and 5. This is what is happening. Now we see here, we can go to the first one. See, 4.5 6.4.5 3 point, so basically one down. Okay, so remove this. Now this here has been coming down 1 place. Okay, 3.5 remains same. This basically remove these 7 here, nothing to remove. Here remove the 5 6.4, here nothing to remove. 6.8 6.83 3.03 to remove. 9.8 6.2 5.5 3.5 4. Okay, these are the number coming. So this is how you do round up and round down. Similarly, you have number dot round. You can actually go and do your own choice of operations. So in this manner, you can go ahead and try this rounding. So you have options in the menu under the transform data, or you can write down number dot round up and round down in a custom column, and you can try out those. So go ahead and try these out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.